Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set timer in iPhone camera. Let's start. So yes, for you to have a perfect shot, sometimes people would actually use timer, and you can definitely set that up on your iPhone. So bear in mind, guys, that there are it may be different for iPhone X model and lower. It's different for the higher versions already, or the most recent versions after iPhone X. Okay, then I'll show you that later. So now I'm gonna show you how to use or set up the timer. First is you need to access your camera. Um, from there, you could see like the top. There's like a small arrow, right? The middle one. You just need to tap on that, and then you would notice that below functions or buttons would actually show up as well. So if you tap, it's gone, and then if you tap, ta-da, it's there. So all you need to do is tap on the timer icon, guys. So if you notice, there's like 4 3 just above the the bottom for you to take your photo. You just need to click on timer. So once you tap on the timer, you can then choose if you want the 3 second or if you want the 10 second. So say for instance, I would want to have the 3 seconds. So if you take a photo, it would like basically have the count or the timer, right? So that's how it's done. So if you would want to, look for how to set the timer in other models, so you could always go to support.apple.com to have, the iPhone user guide. And you can see here, they do have the instruction in terms of the timer. So as mentioned earlier, for iPhone XS rather, iPhone XR and later, tap the arrow sign up. That's what I shown you earlier, and then you would be able to see that at the bottom. But if you're using iPhone X and earlier or lower versions, you would just actually see a clock icon right away. Then you can choose. All right, so I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, please hit it on like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.